Help a refugee rebuild their life. If you have a spare room, you could help a refugee and receive £600 per month, says Gloucestershire Council. These poor asylum sneakers. You really do have a duty to help them. Let's have a look at a few, shall we? Let's start with this man. He will be in need of accommodation, but not for the next 29 years or so, if he's paroled. He murdered this young woman, the mother of a 5-year-old, 6-year-old boy. Stabbed her in the head 23 times. Then did a celebration dance. How would you like to house him when he's released and receive £600? Perhaps a lot more if inflation kicks in. Or you could put up this man in your spare room. In around 25 years or so, if he gets parole. This is the man he murdered. How would you like to invite this bogus asylum seeker into your home? If you can't wait 25 years, you can surely wait 9 years, probably a lot less than that, to put up this man. He was sentenced last year for rape, so he should be out in 3 or 4 years. Knowing our government, how would you like to put him up in your home? You'd have to make him promise not to rape your daughters, though. Or how about one of these handsome chaps? They were both teenagers when they raped a 15-year-old girl. Wouldn't you like to put them up in your home instead of seeing them deported? After all, that would be racist, wouldn't it? In fact, anything you do to oppose the destruction of British culture and Irish culture and the people of Britain and Ireland, anything you do to oppose it at all is racist. That's what our government says. That's what our government believes. That's why they're treating their own citizens like this.
A little bit of police brutality.
That's why they're treating their own citizens in such fashion when they protest against this outrage, this demographic replacement.